Hi, this is Kelly with CNG Complete. This is a 2008 Ford V10. It's a very big truck. These tanks were installed by the owner, and got the fill valve right here. And in here we've got the button right there. Pretty good viewable spot. Then you do have a filter, high pressure filter underneath. Those are a little too hard to get to with the camera, so we're not going to worry about that. But so under here, here's our low pressure filters, one going to each bank. Here's a temperature gauge sensor, sorry. And there's some of the injector rails down there. And the computer's over here. Got it hiding down in the hole there. And this actually takes two computers, one for each bank, because of it being the V10. But the two computers actually link together and then work together as one computer to be able to track everything like it's supposed to, and it works really good. The truck is working really nice on CNG. The tuning has gone really good. It runs strong. You can push the button while you're pulling a hill and you can't even feel a difference in the pull. But there's our 2008 Ford F550. This thing's 24 feet long and it pulls really good. So thanks for watching.